how to turn this into this.
Wow!
To transform your original clip to an animated clip, all you need is the Meta AI app. Alright, but to do the transition I did in the video, you will need CapCut. But for this particular video, I just want to cover how to transform the original clip into the animated clip. But if you would want me to cover how to do the transition like I did in the video, please let me know in the comment section so that I can do the CapCut transition. So let's get into it. First thing you will need to do is to download the Meta AI app from your iOS or your Play Store. It is totally free, unlike ChatGPT. After downloading and installing in your phone, you sign up and create an account with Meta AI and give all the necessary access, like access to your camera and access to your gallery. Then for the next step, open your Meta AI app. Can you see the plus sign at the bottom left? Click on that. You have the option to choose your camera or to choose your gallery. So you choose your gallery. Since I already have the video recorded in my phone, I'll just click on the video. You wait for it to load. Then you select what you want. So there are different options. You see fashion, you see location, you want to change your location, you see weird stuff that can change you into animals, you see lighting and stuff. So the particular one I did was to change my location into the newsroom. So you select newsroom. So now you click on the generate. Sometimes you have to wait a few seconds for the video to be uploaded before you click on generate. So you click generate. So it will take a couple of seconds, maybe like a minute or so. And boom, there you have it. All you need to do is wait a few seconds for the video to generate, and then you'll be sent a notification to view the video. Then you have the option to either edit it further, to save it, or to share. So that is how you transform your original video from
this into this.